National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clark County, Northern Greene County, East Central Montgomery County, until 4:15 a.m. At 3:49 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Enon, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Xenia, New Carlisle, Yellow Springs, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Northridge, Cedarville, Enon, South Charleston, Wilberforce, Riverside, Harmony, Lisbon, Brighton, South Vienna, and Donnellsville. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 41 and 69. The flash flood watch continues for the following counties: